What's up, guys? I am back to show you another video or what I'm doing to fix my fender flares. As you can tell by the name of the title, I have some bad, cheap fender flare bolts, which has caused them to rust out in the winter time. So, and I'm just gonna trade them. So I actually bought some Bushwacker fender, actual Bushwacker hardware. Sorry. So no, the thing is they're black, so it's gonna be cool. It'll kind of go with the whole paint scheme going on. So black and white. There's 40, but the crappy thing is it doesn't come with the nuts. You have to use the nuts that you have. So I'm hoping it fits. If not, I'm gonna have to go to the hardware store and buy 40 bolts or nuts. I mean, so here's the part number. And if you need to buy some, this is what they come in. Yeah, there's 40 of them in here, so we should be good. So you get the bolts and the washers. And let's go outside and I'll show you what I mean. They're right. See how it does that? It's rusting a little bit. There's some that are worse than others. Like this one. This one's bad. So I legit gotta get that off. The bolt actually looks good. It's just the washer. Must be some cheap washer. So it's crazy because some didn't even do that. Yeah, it kind of sucks, but make sure that comes off. Like this one kind of started to a little bit, but not bad. You can kind of see it's a little bit up there, but yeah, that's it's kind of dumb. So we're gonna take these off and hopefully try to get the bolts off. As you can tell from the other one, I did some thread lockers, so hopefully it comes out. But we'll get them off and we'll see how it comes out. Okay, so we got her off. The bolts are coming out easier than I thought it would be, but we got to clean up this mess. Try to get it off a little bit. Maybe I'm just using something to scrape it off, but it looks good. Looks better than it did. There's the black. So here's the in there. That's the black and the white. It'll look a lot better outside. There she is. Looks a lot better and cleaner. All that rust is taken off, or most of it. Perfect. This is the old stuff. Look how rusty and gross it looked, and just cheap hardware. And then these are your black anodized. I'll put down the link below where I got it. And a lot better than that. A lot better than, sorry it's dirty, but a lot better. Okay, she's done, guys. Sorry for the wind again, I know, but she looks a ton better. I have to adjust the little things around it, the edging, but a lot better. I got all the rust off and it all matches now. Kind of goes with the flow color scheme. Perfect. Much better. Much better. Belting, and also too, these help you to get the little things out, especially these ones. I'll put them down below where to get them. But wow, that's all I can say. A lot better. Now we're not so self-conscious about my rust, but I'm still self-conscious about that. Cannot wait to get that fixed, and then I'll be back to where it was. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. I got probably 2 more things I want to do, but one of them is pretty major, so we'll see what happens.